This video is going to be a complete step-by-step beginner's tutorial to download iOS 26. So the first things first is we're going to go to settings on your phone. It should be the gear icon. The best way to find this is that no matter where you are on your phone, as long as you swipe up, unlock your phone, and then swipe down to find the Finder menu, which is basically where you can type in anything on your phone, literally just search for anything. Here you can actually find the settings icon, search for settings, settings. Once you are in settings, you're going to scroll down just a little bit to general. After general, you will see software update. Click on software update. First things first is automatic updates are kind of what they sound like. So with automatic updates off, you're not going to get the updates automatically, and that could be why you're here today. If you do have automatic updates on, this means that your phone actually prompts you to update your phone whenever a new update comes out, and that also could be why you're here today, is because you got an automatic update. Now, the thing to consider is I would always have these on. Okay, so after you click on the blue download and update button, which should be at the bottom of the screen. But basically what's going to happen is the download is actually going to happen and it's going to download the update. It has to, over cellular or over a Wi-Fi network, it actually has to download the update to your phone so it can download it and actually install it. That is actually how you install iOS 26. The download should take about 3 to 7 minutes. That's how long it took for me. If you have a really slow or low connection, it might take 5 to 10. It might even take 30 minutes. The best way to know that it's actually working is there's going to be a line right below iOS 26 that basically self-fulfills. Essentially what that means is it's actually going to start and then it's going to go. It's going to be a progress bar that's showing you that the update is actually installing. And I wouldn't really worry about this. You can actually do other things on your phone until the update is done, because weirdly enough, actually, after the update has kind of installed itself onto your phone or downloaded, so to speak, I want to be very clear here. The update will actually show that it's ready to download, and then you can actually hit install now. So the update itself first has to download the update. That's the progress bar you'll see right below iOS 26. And then once the download is done, it'll actually now install. So installing is the part that actually makes your phone unusable for a few minutes. So once the progress bar is filled, then it'll say install the download. That is going to be the blue button once again. And then the install will actually install the update, and that will be something that actually turns off your phone and goes through a process to actually install the update. This should take about 15 to 25 minutes, depending on how fast your connection is. And again, I will repeat this several times, but if you do have a very slow connection, this might actually take much longer. So if that is something to consider, just keep that in the back of your mind so that it doesn't cause you to have any uncomfortability. So your phone will go through a few different processes where there's an Apple logo at the top or really just in the middle. And then there's a progress bar, and this happens about 2 or 3 times and is a fairly slow process. Even with someone like me with a fast internet connection, but this will happen a couple times and then your phone will actually be restarted and it'll have iOS 26 ready to go. Usually there is a little prompt on the menu right when you open your phone after it's been installed that basically says iOS 26 is installed. And if you are coming from an older update, you'll obviously know that you have iOS 26 because it is a completely different looking software and it will actually guide you through some new updates for customizing your phone. So I hope this was helpful. Welcome to iOS 26. Talk soon.